The Monitor Audio CF230 in-ceiling speaker is designed to be a small and discreet way to deliver high-quality audio into any room. There are two solutions to install the CF230. The flush fit solution uses the CF-B3R or CF-B3SQ pre-construction kits to install the speaker flush into a new ceiling. The installation process is the same for both pre-construction brackets. The retrofit solution uses the CF-B3 kit retrofit bracket to install the speaker discreetly into an existing ceiling. The CF-B3 kit includes a round grille and a square grille. When building a new ceiling, you'll need to install the pre-construction bracket. Place the bracket between the ceiling joists and tack using pins. Place plasterboard over the bracket and cut a hole measuring 120mm in diameter. Align the mud bank with the D-shaped loop on the pre-construction bracket and use the screw holes to mark out drilling points. Then drill 3mm holes through the plasterboard. Attach the mud bank to the bracket and secure using screws. Cover the outer edge of the mud bank in a quickset compound. Use webbing tape to cover the edges of the mud bank. And apply coats of plaster to level the mud bank. Sand the plaster away to reveal the orange shield, removing plaster from the edges, then pull it out to expose the hole. Wire in, align, then insert the speaker into the hole and secure using screws. Lastly, attach the magnetic grille. When installing into an existing ceiling, cut a hole measuring 90mm in diameter. Fold and insert the retrofit bracket. Unfold, then tack the bracket into the plasterboard. Using the included template, drill 3mm holes through the ceiling. Wire in, align, then insert the speaker into the hole and secure using screws. Lastly, attach the magnetic grille. Choose between the round or square grille included in the kit. For even deeper bass with identical in-ceiling appearance, we recommend fitting the ICS-8 in-ceiling subwoofer as part of your audio system.